The 2025 Kia Tesman is set to make waves in the pickup truck segment, bringing a bold combination of rugged capability, advanced technology, and striking design. This powerful truck is designed to compete with the best in the industry, offering a robust body structure, a high-tech interior, and off-road-ready components that make it a true all-terrain beast. At first glance, the Kia Tesman's exterior is a statement of strength and modernity. The front fascia boasts an aggressive grille with integrated LED light bars, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The headlights feature Kia's signature futuristic LED design, providing excellent visibility in all conditions. A muscular hood with black accents adds to the truck's tough demeanor, while a reinforced bull bar on the front bumper enhances both protection and aesthetics. The lifted body, flared fenders, and skid plates emphasize its off-road readiness, ensuring it can handle rough terrains with ease. Moving to the side profile, the Tesman rides on massive off-road tires with deep treads, providing superior grip on uneven surfaces. The rugged alloy wheels complement its adventurous look, while side steps make access easier despite its lifted stance. The roof is equipped with additional LED light bars, ideal for nighttime expeditions. The bed of the truck is spacious and durable, designed for heavy-duty usage with reinforced materials that can handle tough loads. The tailgate features a sleek, modern design with an illuminated Kia emblem and vertically stacked LED taillights, adding a futuristic touch to its rear-end aesthetics. A full-size spare tire is mounted on the back, reinforcing its off-road credentials. Inside, the 2025 Kia Tesman is nothing short of a technological marvel. The cabin is designed with both comfort and innovation in mind. A massive curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the instrument cluster and infotainment system. The steering wheel has a futuristic flat-bottom design with illuminated touch controls, giving the driver effortless access to various functions. The center console houses a futuristic gear selector, a wireless charging pad, and multiple storage compartments for added convenience. Ambient LED lighting runs along the dashboard and door panels, creating a modern and sophisticated atmosphere. The seats are upholstered in premium leather with contrast stitching, providing both durability and comfort. The bolstered design ensures maximum support during off-road adventures or long highway drives. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom, thanks to the Tesman's spacious interior layout. A panoramic sunroof allows natural light to flood the cabin, enhancing its open and airy feel. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia Tesman is expected to offer a powerful engine lineup, likely including a turbocharged V6 or a hybrid powertrain for those seeking both performance and efficiency. With an advanced suspension system, the truck delivers a smooth ride, whether on city streets or rocky trails. The all-wheel drive system, terrain management modes, and hill descent control make it a capable off-roader, ready to conquer any challenge. Overall, the 2025 Kia Tesman is a game-changer in the pickup truck market. With its aggressive design, high-tech interior, and impressive off-road capability, it is set to become a top contender for those who demand power, luxury, and adventure in one package.